Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today's word is bridge. It's an A2 level noun meaning a structure for crossing water. So a bridge is basically something that allows you to go from one side of a river, a road, or even a railway line to the other, without having to swim or take a long detour. Think of it as a connecting pathway. For example, you might say, the Golden Gate Bridge is very famous. Let's look at some synonyms. Words like overpass and viaduct can be used. For instance, the overpass allowed traffic to flow smoothly, or the train went over the viaduct. Now, let's think about antonyms, words with the opposite meaning. Something like barrier or obstacle. You could say, the fence created a barrier, or the fallen tree was an obstacle in the path. In everyday life, you might hear people talking about building bridges when they want to make connections or resolve differences. It's more of a metaphorical use, but related to the connection idea. For example, we need to build bridges to understand each other. Or when talking about infrastructure, the new bridge will reduce the travel time by 30 minutes. Some example sentences could be, I drive over that bridge every day. The bridge was closed for repairs. Or there was a beautiful view from the top of the bridge. Also, you could say, let's cross that bridge when we come to it. This means that we will deal with the problem when it actually happens. Well, that's all for today on bridge. Remember, it's a structure that allows you to cross something, synonyms like overpass and viaduct, and antonyms like barrier and obstacle. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. Also, please leave a comment sharing your own sentence using the word bridge. We can't wait to see what you come up with.